did you think before the game that it will be as easy as win as this one?
No, of course not. Delhi, they are a very good side. They've done really well through the tournament. So we definitely didn't expect it. It is going to be like that. But I mean, you got to give credit to our guys, the way they turned up today at the game, putting runs on the board and getting those early breakthroughs was so much important. And we know in the big games, runs on the board is always critical, no matter what the conditions are. You put runs on the board, there's always an additional pressure on the opposition to go and get that score. And also, of course, our bowling unit have been terrific through the tournament. They've put pressure on the opposition right from the beginning. So it was good to see the overall performance of the team. The way we played today was absolutely perfect.
Next one, does the tactic of Jasprit Bumrah taking the new ball change as per the opposition team, or will he also continue to open the bowling in the next game?
No, obviously not. We think about the matchups. We think about the opposition team. There's a lot of things actually that goes behind it, because we want to use our best bowlers against the best batters and things like that. And also the matchups, they are very, very important. So I think depends on who's batting, what sort of form he is in, what sort of runs we have on the board. So it includes everything. Depends on what sort of runs, what sort of runs, how many runs we are defending and things like that. So it's an inclusion of everything. Surya has been in terrific form. We understand the importance of him batting at number 3, and is a very, very crucial player for us at number 3. Having lost wicket in the second over, we were slightly put back in the game, but the way Quinton and Surya created that partnership with that momentum as well, which was very, very important. We got, I think, around 60 in the first 6 overs, which was a good sign. And Surya is someone who is very, very positive and clear in his thought process as to how he wants to bat. So yeah, and we back his skills, we back his thought process. That is what we as a team management want to do. And every time he's come to bat, if the early wicket has fallen, he's just come and taken the pressure away from the team and the batter he is batting with. Guys like Krunal, Pollard, Hardik to take their time, but they've been in terrific form as well. We saw it today with Hardik. He just came and started playing his shots, came off really well. Some superb shots against quality attack. So shows that kind of form he is in as well. When you are in that sort of form, you want to go out there, you want to play as many balls as possible as well.
Well, Trent Boult has been in great form, especially in the power play. What has worked for him, especially while he's bowling in that phase of the game? Also, any update on his fitness, as he only bowled 2 overs today?
Yeah, look, Trent for us has been very crucial as well. With the new ball up front, taking that early wicket, in his first or the second over has been very, very crucial for us to build up from that. He's always done that in his career, wherever he plays, whether it's for New Zealand or any other club, and now he's doing for Mumbai. So it's good to watch. We know what quality Trent has, and he's come here and not disappointed any one of us. He's just come out and backed his skills, and that has rewarded him magnificently. And talking about his fitness, I've not personally seen him, but he looks all right. He looks fine. It was just that precaution that we needed to take, because we were in good position when that happened after his 2 overs. He went in, but it looks okay to me. He should be okay for the finals.
With you in mind in the second innings, what was the target that you felt safe to defend on this wicket? And what were the thoughts after the first innings when you posted 200 on the board?
Yeah, look, with Dew coming in, you're not sure of what target is the safer target. We saw towards the end it became quite easy for the batters. So it's important, to get to that power score first, and then anything additional to that score will be bonus. And that's what we spoke about, getting somewhere between 175, 180 maybe, and we got 20 runs plus. So that was good to see. But again, there's no particular target that you want to get there because with Dew coming in, you never know what's going to happen. So you want to make sure that you get to the par score first, and then if you're in good position, you have wickets in hand, you can get that additional 20-30 runs.